Hello everybody. Today I am going to show you how to apply fillet and chamfer command. So let's begin. So to show the application of fillet and chamfer command, at first I need to draw a rectangle. So this is a rectangle. So just click and now select dimension, and thus I am taking length 10 mm and width 8 mm. Enter. Okay. Dimension, then length 10 and width 8. Click. So this is our rectangle. Now this is our fillet command. So select fillet. Now check here, select first object, and here there are many options: undo, polyline, radius, trim, multiple. So at first select radius. Now specify fillet radius. So at first I am selecting 2. Enter. Now select first object. So this is my first object, first line, and select second object. Now select second line. So this is the fillet. So if you want to repeat the command, just enter. Now just select first object, and now select first object, and now select second object. Complete. Now let's go in deep. Dimension 10 and enter. So rectangle. Now just select fillet command. Now select polyline. Now just select radius 2. Enter. Now select the object. So everything has been together. So this is the fillet command, and I hope you have understood fillet command. Now go for chamfer command. Now again draw a rectangle. Dimension 10 by 10. Enter. Okay. Now select chamfer. So this is the chamfer command. Now from here select distance. So first distance I am selecting 2, and specify second chamfer distance. Now I am selecting 3. So select first line, that means for 2, and select second line, that means for 3. So this portion has taken 2 and this portion has taken 3. So if you want to repeat the command, press on enter. Now select first line. Now select second line. Now if you want to go for more application, you just select the rectangle. Dimension 10 by 10. Now select chamfer. Now select polyline. Now select distance. Now put 2. Again select chamfer, select polyline. Now select distance. Now take first distance 2 and second distance 3, and you can take any other distance as you prefer. Enter. Now just select the object. So automatically it has taken all the measurements. and I hope you have understood both fillet and chamfer command. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.